Alright team, let's dive deeper into the Samsung Galaxy S20. Remember, we've covered most of the details, but we're missing one crucial piece: how many we actually had at the start of this accounting period. To find this out, head over to the Inventory Items section on the left side of your screen. Now, let's get this software ready to handle inventory. We need to go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings button, then look for Obsolete Features, click on it. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but stick with me. Once you're there, find the option called Automatic Inventory Revaluation, and make sure the box next to it is checked. This is important because it ensures our inventory values stay accurate over time. After making this change, hit the Update button to save it. Next up, we're going to record the initial stock of Samsung Galaxy S20 phones. Go to Journal Entries at the bottom left corner. Select Samsung Galaxy S20 from the list of items. Here, we'll input two key pieces of information: the quantity we had, let's say it was 50 phones, and the total cost. To calculate the total cost, multiply the number of units by the cost per unit, which in this case is $800. So, 50 phones multiplied by $800 equals a total cost of $40,000. Enter 50 in the quantity column and $40,000 in the debit column. To provide context, add a description like opening balance for Samsung Galaxy S20. Also, include the date this information is based on, which would be December 31st, 2023. For accurate record keeping, make sure to check the reference box. Once you're satisfied with the information, click the Create button to save it. Let's verify everything is correct. Go back to the Inventory Items section and check that the Samsung Galaxy S20 is listed with 50 units and a unit cost of $800. Then, go to the Summary section to see the total value of all Samsung Galaxy S20 units. This number should match the $40,000 we entered in the journal. If everything looks good, we're ready to move on to the next inventory item.